All right, so now we got our fishing pole with a fishing hook on it. So now we just got to put a bait on it. I heard fish like bread, so I'm gonna take this bread, roll it up, make a little dough ball, and I'm gonna put this on my fishing hook, and we're gonna cast out. So we just gonna put this little bread on there. Boom. It's heavy too. All right. Now we got some bait. Now it's time to cast. All right, so in order to cast, the first thing you want to do is grab the fishing line with your finger and pin it just so it can't move. And then you flip this bail upward. So you flip this hood right on up, just like that. So now that's up. So now you can't reel your fishing line in and out. It's just free flowing now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it. Close this back. And we're fishing now. Viola.